Chianti soaked risotto. I am literally warming on the stove an entire bottle of Chianti, okay, and about 2 cups of chicken broth or chicken brodo. Short grain rice is what we're cooking, of course. Arborio, carnaroli, any short grain rice. This is arborio. And we're gonna make 2 cups. But we're actually starting with one of the toppings. All we're gonna do with these is throw a little thyme and sprinkling it over the pan. John, do you want black pepper or red?
Red pepper. I'm sorry, black pepper, black pepper.
Which one? Do you want both?
Can I have both?
Oh my God. Okay.
And white pepper and green pepper and pink pepper?
Oh my God. All right, at home you might want to decide between the red and the black, but whatever, John wants both. All right, fine. So the reason we're putting the tomatoes in first is we want this to all be done at the exact same time. And the tomatoes take longer than the risotto. The risotto, from the time you begin to add liquid, every single time will take 18 minutes from the first addition of liquid. I'm just running my knife through, and I did 2 shallots and a couple of cloves of garlic. So I threw the garlic in with the shallots. Smells great already. And we want to toast our rice. I coated the bottom of the risotto pot with olive oil first. A little salt, of course. Now, from this point, when we add the liquid, it is going to be 18 minutes. How do we develop those starches? We add the liquids in stages. And every time we add liquid, the reason the round pot and the round spoon work so well, again, is to build that starch. See what I mean by that? We're stirring in little circles, and we're working the pot in big circles. And you have to do this vigorously every single time. In between each addition of liquid, when you make any risotto, you let all of the liquid absorb fully before you add more. Here's our roasted tomatoes. The risotto just took its last bit of liquid. Look how creamy and gorgeous we've gotten that consistency. Yes. Okay. We'll be back to you in 1 minute. We still have another layer. We're going to do wilted greens. It can be charred kale, like flat Tuscan kale. Swirl this around, a little garlic and oil, and immediately add those greens and start wilting them in. Get them in there. Pile them up. We want to add a little bit of acid to those greens, and we want to add a little hint of nutmeg. Of course, we need a little salt and pepper. Okay, and we'll just get these guys just barely wilted. I'm adding a couple tablespoons of butter, as we do with all risottos. Finish with butter and cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano, please, 1 cup. Going in with the butter. Oh my God. Oh, pour that. Look at that. Oh, stunning. So now we're going to take a paddle and just kind of make a little valley, right? You got to make the center of the nest. Then we're going to take our tongs and position our greens. Gorgeous. And then we're going to take the tomatoes, and they're going to be center stage. Don't waste that juice. Don't waste that juice. No, no, no.